Hi friends, today I'll be showing you how to create your account in Firstcry app. Please download the app. Now click on the downloaded app. Before going to the next step, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates on our new video. Now the app is opened and it is loading. Give allow. Okay, on the top left side corner you can see 3 lines. Please click on that and click on login or register. Now click on register and give your email ID and the mobile number and the password. Re-enter the password. Click on register. Okay, now you will get an OTP to the mobile number which you have given. Please enter the OTP. Click on submit. As you can see, your mobile number have been successfully created and your account has been successfully created. As you can see here, you can give your name over here. And you can choose you're a mother, dad, guardian or expecting and save it. This is how to create your account in Firstcry. Thank you.